Me and my girlfriend were living in one room. It was a nice place and the rent was good. I was working at a call center until I got fired. That's another story. My girlfriend began to fret because she wasn't working either and we didn't know how we'd have paid the rent or the other bills. I went to the landlord and told him our situation. Him said him understand and he will give us time till we find our next work. About a month passed and we couldn't find a job. Him came at my door demanding the rent money. I begged him to give us another month and him refused. That night I couldn't sleep because my girlfriend didn't come home. I texted her phone and called her, no answer. I went to the shop to buy a cigarette and when I came back I heard moaning coming from a landlord house. When I looked through his window I saw him and my girlfriend having sex. I was so shocked. I didn't say anything about it and went back to my room. I was vexed. I didn't even confront her about it. The next day she came and told me the landlord gave away another 3 months for fine work. I realized I should fuck the man to pay the rent. I can't even look at her the same anymore. I don't even want to have sex with her and I still haven't confronted her about it. What should I do?